This is Holy Cross Component 2 mock, and this is mock number 1. I'm on to question 7. When I was a kid, we used to have books like this. We used to use a whole book of chasing through a book and identifying things. You won't do this these days. A rather tedious exercise, chasing around. There's a couple of different ways to do it. The first thing is to, in your mind, remember what the kingdoms are. So in your mind, you're going to remember what the kingdoms are. So you're going, right, what can I remember? I can remember prokaryotes, and then the rest of them are eukaryotes. So we've got plants, animals, fungi, and the one I can't remember, the one I can't even say or spell, Protoctista or protists. So those are our kingdoms. You know about domains as well, but it's definitely talking about kingdoms. So those are the kingdoms. You can almost complete this skipping the dreadful exercise by just kind of looking at someone going, right, Kingdom A, circular DNA. Well, there's only one kingdom that has circular DNA, and that's our prokaryotes. There we are. In Latin, prokaryotai, but you have prokaryotic, prokaryotes. We're not going to have bacteria there, so that's not quite. We need prokaryotes. B, and I know I'm doing this the wrong way, branching thread-like hyphae. Well, that's fungi, isn't it? You know this because you've done your revision. C, single-celled, multicellular. Possibly that one that we can't remember anything about. We'll leave that for a second. D, cellulose. Well, D cellulose, that's going to be plants, isn't it? So plantae or plants. You generally don't have to give the Latin, but I'm just feeling flash today. And E, heterotrophic, motile, moving about, so organisms that move around, don't possess a wall. Well, that's animals, animalia, or animals. And the other one must be the other one. So in the end, we didn't really need to know much about it anyway. Protoctista. Yay, spelled it right. If you were doing this question properly, you would pick a kingdom. So one that you know. So for example, the one that you know the rest, animals, and go, has it got linear DNA? Has it got linear DNA? Separate, yes it has. So go to question 2. Has it got branching thread-like? No, it hasn't. So go to question 3. Both single and multicellular animals? No. Go to 4. Is it autotrophic? No. So it must be kingdom E, and put your answer in like that. So you can do it that way around as well, but yeah, cut to the chase because you've done some revision and you could check that through later. So fairly straightforward, hopefully 5 marks. And you didn't even need to know anything about Protoctista apart from how to spell it.